Good morning, OLFM. It's a special morning update for you from me, Pandemic Paul. It's sort of a gray day here in Kamloops. Rain, but good day for working inside, as apparently is every day. So, a quick update for you. You may have seen a million emails coming from me over the weekend. Uh, we reached out to a number of OLFMs over the week last week. I'll clarify that in a sec. And then let students know this weekend, class by class, we sent out, Todd sent out a bunch of emails on Saturday. I sent out a whole pile Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Class by class, letting them know broadly what the decision was for each course. In some cases, we were able to agree with, in consultation with you and the schools, to average the marks at the end of the semester, so students had the option, if they had completed all the work, to bypass the final and take the average of their work in the course. Other courses where we've got really high percentage finals, things like that, we weren't able to do that, so we let students know that we were working on alternate assignments. Now, some confusion about those emails that I just wanted to address, and that's the reason for the morning update. Last week, Andrea Crane and Curriculum Services, they're helping to sort of project manage a lot of this work. We reached out to, in courses where we had multiple OLFMs, we reached out to at least one, drawing together the feedback that we'd gotten from all of you to say, here's the feedback we got about an alternate assignment, alternate assessment to replace the final. Would you be willing to do that work for us? So in those cases, and here's where we erred. I think we should have also included all the other OLFMs on that initial email, just to let you know that we were asking someone to help develop, based on your feedback as well, help develop a quick alternate assessment that we could have up and running for your students. So in some cases, we just went with the top person in the alphabet to see who was able to do that. In other cases, there were people who we knew were ready, who had some time to do this, and we went with them. We did not mean to exclude anyone or to diminish the importance of your feedback. We've taken that all into account. Those of you who responded to our survey, those of you who've reached out to us. With 200 courses and 201 courses, plus the PACE courses, plus a whole lot of other things, there's going to be some places where we dropped the ball, places where we've missed the exact nature of the assessment that you had suggested. We're really trying our best and trying to get students through as quickly as we can. So if you got an email, if you didn't hear from us last week, it isn't because we didn't care about you. And if you got an email from CC'd to you from me saying that we've come up with an assessment for your course and your OLFM is working on that, and you were thinking, Paul, you're a jerk, you didn't ask me that in the first place. What are you talking about? Yeah, I apologize. And that was, we did ask someone is working on that. We still may come to you with asking for some more feedback, but we've got that assessment underway, and we're really hoping to have most of those into us by the end of this week at the very latest, and up sometime next week for your students. So we're just trying to get this through as quick as we can. Some classes where we're averaging marks, we are going to reassess that in May and probably have more time to come up with an alternate assessment. Averaging marks is not the best solution necessarily. So we're really working on that, and just wanted to thank you for your patience. We've let virtually every class know. There's a few areas we haven't let math know. Water treatment we haven't let know. A few places like that where we're still trying to figure out the exact nature of those solutions, but we're just basically, over the weekend, we're trying to let students know, hey, we've got a solution. We can't give you the specifics if it's an alternate assessment, exactly what that's going to be, but it should be up and ready for you. And the email we sent out to people last week asked them who we were asking to design these alternate assessments. We said, it can't be more work than the final. It's got to be lower stress. It should be something that allows the students to demonstrate that they've met the learning outcomes for the course. And we're trying to keep those as simple as we can, in part for the students and also in part for us to be able to get those up as quick as possible. In some cases, we're taking the existing finals, we're putting them up on Moodle in some sort of altered form. But as soon as we do that, that final becomes compromised, and that means that in a month or two, we really need to create a brand new final for that exam. So we're trying not to do that when we can, but in some cases that's all we can do for right now, and we'll figure it out later. So just wanted to give you a morning update. I'll try to summarize this a little bit in an email to you as well. But hope you're doing well. Thank you for all your help. And, you guys are amazing. Had lots of really helpful feedback over the weekend. Really, really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more. Not sure if I'll do one later today, but at least for April I have no idea what it is, date is, April the 14th, Pandemic Paul signing out.